So here I will show you the different methods of the string. So let's create a class with the name of str methods. Okay, so let's create a main method right here. Okay, so let's say we have a string of word equals to, let's say, coding. Okay, coding. So we have a variable string with the value of coding. So let's say from this word, I want to get specific part of this value. Okay, so which means I want to get not the whole coding, but I want to get ing only. Okay, so how I'm gonna do that? So there's a special method in Java, okay, for the strings. We're gonna say, hey, word dot substring, okay, substring. Give me the sub for that string. So here, if you want to get ing, okay. So let's say we have this coding, and we have the indexes for the coding. So we will say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, right? So we have these letters. So C, O, D, I, N, G. Okay, and G. So this will be at index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's say we want to get the values at index, okay, 3, which is I, and we want to get at index 4, which is N, and index 5, which is G. So what we need to do, we need to pass these indexes, the range of these indexes, into this substring method. So for example, we have I, so we start from index 3. We say, hey, start from index 3, which is include 3 as well, and go until index 5, right? 3, 4, 5. But the thing is, substring says, hey, I'm not gonna include this second index number. Okay, I will go until 5, but I will not include 5. So which means it will give us only I and N. Okay, so 3 and 4 will be there. 5 will not be included. 3 will be included, 4 will be included, but 5 will not be there. So let me run and show it to you. Okay, it's running. Great. As you can see, in is here, which is I and N, but at index 5, the letter at index 5 was not included. But what if you want to get letter at index 5? So then you need to say, hey, go until 6. There's no index 6, but this is what you can say. You can say, hey, give me the index letters until index 6. If you run this, it will give us I, N, and G. Great. I and G is here. Great. Let's say we want to print ODI. Okay, O, D, and I. So we're gonna say system.println. Hey, word, would you please substring yourself starting from index 1? So 1 will be included. You're gonna put comma. If you want to get ODI, which is including index 3, then we're gonna mention index 4. So it will have 1, 2, and 3 indexes, 1, 2, and 3. So I'm gonna run this. This scenario will be printing us O, D, and I. Great. So the thing is, for example, you want to get ding, D-I-N-G. So this time you will say system.println. Hey, word, substring yourself starting from index 2, which is D, and you want to get everything after D, which means ding, right? We say D-I-N-G. So the thing is, Java says if you want to get everything until the end, you don't really need to mention the last index. It will give you everything starting from index 2. So If you run this, we're gonna have output as ding. So it will start from index 2 and it will go until the end. Okay, whatever the number of letters it has, it will give us everything. So this is how substring method works.